You told us it was hard to find oilcloth fabric. That's why Odif developed this innovation, the OdiCoat. It's a gel that can be used to coat all fabric, cotton fabric and all types of fabric, to transform them into oilcloth or laminated fabric. I will show you how it is used. With a simple brush, we scoop out a little bit of gel. It is applied directly to the fabric with the brush. You see, its gel aspect is very interesting because if you scooped out too much, you can still get the product back in the jar. We apply the product directly onto the fabric. With one layer, the OdiCoat already allows you to transform your fabric into a water-repellent fabric. To wash your fabric, simply protect it. After 24 hours of drying with a parchment paper and iron it so that it is machine washable at low temperature. You can also decide to put 2 or 3 layers depending on the effect you want to give to your fabric. In one layer, the aspect will be poplin effect and water-repellent fabric. In 2 layers, we will have a coated effect. In 3 layers, we will have an oilcloth effect. Now, I will show you the result with and without OdiCoat. You put a little water on a fabric that has not been treated with OdiCoat. You can see that the water penetrates easily into the fabric. I do the same thing with fabric that has been treated with OdiCoat. You can see that the water does not penetrate at all.